Hello, good morning! Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to my vlog! Hello, mi amigos, mi amigas, mga nami, lawas! Ayan guys, so for today, I have more orders. Kakagawa ko lang ng engagement gift and now may orders ako ulit, kagaya yesterday. Ito, so pinalagyan ko na siya ng sticker print for baby. And she have another order, box, round box, and we will put flower. Okay guys, let's start it! So ayan na siya guys. Ayan. It's ready. Yesterday blue yung ginawa natin for baby boy. But for today, it's pink for baby girl. Thank you for watching guys. Meron pa tayong isang box na gagawin here. So, let's close it. Take a picture and pack. Hello guys, it's ready. Ayan. My friend is here also.
Nice work, Marvin. Inshallah, good.
Say hi to my followers, my subscribers.
Too much follower, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Jaldi, jaldi. Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Ada my friend.
They will
Marvin.
not understand you.
Inte Arabic malum? La, maafi malum Arabic inte.
Malum.
Yeah. He's my friend, Marvin. He is Filipino. I am Pakistani. Pakistan, Philippines.
Ah.
Good friend.
Hello guys! Ayan, hindi ako matapos-tapos dito. I can finish my work because we have 3 orders and this is the last one. So, let's start it! So, ayan na siya guys. It's prepared. Babalutin na natin siya ng wrapping. Ayan na siya guys, it's ready! Yan! So very beautiful. Welcome baby Amu. Yan. Ilalagay na natin tong logo ng shop and we will take a picture and it's done! Finally, natapos ko na yung 3 orders ko guys. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy my vlog. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell for the latest videos. See you guys!